The Serengeti. Raw, beautiful, up close and personal. It's the perfect blend of adventure, discovery, and of course, a bit of relaxation as well. But that's just part of the epic journey. The other part takes you somewhere unexpected, to the heart of the Rift Valley, where new friends await your arrival. Here, you get to experience the local life beyond the national parks. The life of the Maasai. Simple, beautiful, and very real. You learn about community, about support, and about challenges. You learn about Cookstoves. Traditional cooking practices here lead to household air pollution, which lead to some pretty severe health problems. Your visit makes a difference, and you get to see this firsthand. With each trip here, ground partners design and install clean and efficient wood-burning stoves in people's homes. The community is involved from start to finish, with all materials manufactured in the area. This stimulates the local economy and empowers people, especially women, who are the ones building the stoves. While you may have come to Africa to explore the Serengeti, you're also making a real, tangible difference along the way. This is a stove, and this stove has the power to change a family's life, and travelers like you make it happen. So thank you. Changing the world is easy. All you have to do is have the time of your life.